Hey guys, this is Shirley here. Today we're taking Ollie and the whole family on an overnight trip to Port Stephens, a seaside town 2 hours drive from Sydney. As a high-functional anxiety sufferer that I am, I have already been obsessively making a list of things to pack since 2 weeks ago. And somehow, I still got up an hour earlier than everyone to cut some fruit, make breakfast, pack some last-minute stuff. You know, just in case. I know a lot of moms still maintain traveling schedule with their baby. However, due to having Ollie during lockdown and me suffering from anxiety postnatal and Ollie not being the easiest kid, I feel I had quite an isolated life right after I became a mom. And now Ollie turned to 1 year old. He's a lot more curious to the outside world. So yeah, this is the first time Ollie traveled overnight. I feel just only recently I start to control my anxiety over COVID and also gain my mental and physical capacity to arrange traveling. So yeah, I'm quite excited about this trip. I hope it turns out to be fun. I have a giant nappy bag with me with all this stuff on the road. And I have my own handbag here. I don't know if you can see. And this is Ollie's food bag. Toy, pram. Scott still carry a giant bag for us. So this is just an overnight trip. Entertaining a toddler in car seat can be really difficult, but thanks to my hard work in the past 1 year, Ollie has a very predictable nap schedule. So 2 hours drive, 1 hour and a half Ollie is asleep. By the time we arrive at this nice cafe in Anna Bay, everybody's in high spirit. With all my thorough planning, there's one thing I didn't get to plan: bad weather. Anna Bay is the most popular spot in Port Stephens. Beautiful ocean, endless sand dune, and heaps of activities to do as well. This is just the idea what a normal day looks like in Anna Bay. But not today. Today we got nada. Nothing, no one camel in sight. But fear not, my son. We will make the best of what the nature has to offer.
Still to see the beach. We're gonna get wet too.
My shoes are over. He doesn't know how he should feel, you know?
Yeah, Mum, you're really gonna get. No, help.
This one. Just get the pizza, I think. Okay, without further ado, let me give you a quick room tour. This is a split-level apartment. My parents stay downstairs, and this is our bedroom, quite spacious. Very functional living room and kitchen, nothing fancy. Last but not least, a balcony with beautiful view. As I mentioned, it's the first time Ollie is not sleeping at home in his own bed, so I was quite worried if Ollie can adapt to this new environment. And it turns out that was just my anxiety talking. Not only he's excited about staying in the new place, he found himself quite a bit of entertainment in climbing up and down of the stairs. We're seizing the last 2 hours before sunset to take a walk around Marina. Maybe it's the weather or the season or the impact is still here from COVID. This once touristy spot without its usual hustle and bustle is feeling very sleepy today.
Yeah, he does. Oh, I have a good video. I really want to go into the water. No fishing though. Okay. It looks like you're wearing a purple dress. Ollie, your bed is over here.
Okay guys, it's 10 p.m. now and everybody has already gone to bed. I'm just gonna prepare Ollie's formula and whatever he needs for tomorrow. It doesn't look like we've done much, but I feel extremely tired. So finger crossed Ollie can sleep through the night. Good night. Good morning. So I had like a 4-hour sleep because this one decided to wake up at 3 a.m. this morning. So I'm just trying to function here. Okay, so we're at the marina and there's absolutely no activities today. No whale watching, no dolphin cruising, just no nothing. It's dead quiet today, not even a lot of tourists. There's supposed to be a fish feeding time, and while we're waiting, it starts to rain like crazy, and it's not even a lot of fish today. What's going on? The temperature dropped, the rain's getting heavier and heavier, so we think we're just gonna head home, unfortunately. So I've been reading this book called Boundaries with Kids. I've been reading this whole boundary series book and it has helped me tremendously dealing with a lot of issues at work. Well, I don't really work at the moment, but at work, with your partner, and eventually how to be a good parent as well. So this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, and tomorrow I'm gonna sort out all the bags from traveling. So yes, thanks for watching. See you next time.